Hi guys, this is Rutuja and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is Rutuja and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing this simple glam Rakshabandhan makeup look. It is very easy to achieve. Before getting to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So now without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So first I am moisturizing my face, and the moisturizer I am using is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. I am gently massaging it until it gets absorbed in my skin. Next I am applying some lip balm. Keep it ready for the lipstick that is coming at the very end. Next I am filling my brows using this perfect eyebrow pencil. To clean the border of my brows, I am applying concealer. I am also applying on my eyelid as an eye base. Setting it with compact powder. So let's start with eye makeup. This is Hilary Roda eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this red color, dark red color. It's time to cut the crease. Next, I'm using this Morphe Bronze 35G eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this beautiful champagne shade with the tip of my finger. Next I'm blending in the red color so that there will be no harsh line with that champagne shade. Next I am drawing wing liner, simple wing liner. The liner I am using is from Eyebrow. of mascara. Next, to soften my lower lash line, I am using the same red color and I am just smoking it out throughout my lower lash line. In my waterline, I am using ADS Kajal. Next, so it is a Rakshabandhan makeup. I want natural look, so I am using Pond's BB cream. It will give you a medium coverage. So I am applying it. Next, I will be blending it. Next, to conceal my dark circles, I am using Concelear from Fit Me. Next, I am setting it with compact powder. Next, I will do little bronzing. I will apply blush. Next, I am applying highlighter on the highest plane of my face to get the glow. Highlighting my inner corners. And the last one, I am applying lipstick, and the lipstick I am using is Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte in the shade Sugar and Spice. And here is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video or not, or if you did, don't forget to share, like and subscribe if you are new here. Also press the bell icon. Bye bye, take care.